This is Alan Bush with the Daily Financial Forecast for Tuesday, September 17th. Stock index futures are trading higher this morning and appear to be overperforming the news. We did have a couple of reports today that did come in a little stronger than expected, which would normally be construed as a bit bearish for stock index futures from the point of view of how this may affect Fed policy. So stock indices overperforming the news. That would suggest that we'll probably see higher prices from these current levels today. Also, traders apparently looking ahead to tomorrow's Federal Open Market Committee statement. Moving over to the currencies, we are seeing the dollar index coming under a little pressure in the overnight trade, but some support with the 7:30 economic reports. I'm inclined to believe that these recovery gains in the dollar will probably not follow through, since a pivot to accommodation from the Federal Reserve would be a bearish influence on the dollar. So from here, I would expect the dollar to weaken. Most other currencies will probably firm from these present levels. And in the interest rate futures markets, a little pressure developing with the 7:30 economic reports. However, I think any weakness should be used as a buying opportunity, and I think there will be some recovery today in advance of tomorrow's Federal Reserve statement. It does appear now that there is a very good chance that the Fed will be cutting rates by 50 basis points at tomorrow's meeting. In fact, there's a 67% probability of a half-point cut and a 33% chance that the Fed will be cutting by 25 basis points. And this will probably not be the only rate cut from the Fed this year. I think there will be additional rate cuts. Also, going into next year, there will probably be a series of interest rate reductions from the Fed. So it looks like the Fed is on track to pivot to accommodation, suggesting, of course, lower rates, and that would be a very bullish development for the interest rate futures markets. So good trading, everyone. Once again, remember, these are my opinions alone and are not the opinions of ADMIS or ADM.